How to remove friends fast on Roblox. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can remove friends fast on Roblox, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you'd like to delete your friends fast on Roblox, all you have to do is simply go ahead and then first of all open up your browser here. Once you open up your browser, go to roblox.com, and if you want to view your friends, you normally would need to go to the three lines here, go to friends section. When you go to friends, you would have many spam friends, and maybe you want to remove those friends very quickly. Now currently I do not have any friends because this is just a new account I created to create this video, but I will still show you 100% working way that will help you remove all of these friends very fast in a nutshell. Normally if you had to remove them, you have to select them one after another, click the remove button, confirm it, and then they would be removed. But now there is no need for you to do that. You can simply open up and install this extension on your browser, which is Roblox friend removal button. I'll make sure to drop a link for this extension down in the description box below. It is a Google Chrome extension. You want to click on add to Chrome button here, add this extension like this, and then here you'll be able to see the extension will be successfully added. If I want, I can go ahead and basically pin that extension. Now once I've selected that extension, you can see over here the extension will be successfully activated. Now I can come back to the Roblox friends tab, refresh this feed. Next time when I refresh this, I'll find the minus icon right next to each of those friends. When I click on the minus icon, then I can simply go ahead and remove those friends successfully without having to confirm anything. You just need to click it one after another and the friends will be removed. So this way you can remove friends fast on Roblox. Hope this video was very helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.